Okay, this is a pretty firm deck. This is good. I don't want to fall over while I'm doing a video, but we're rating the Cellar, right? We're doing a Cellar rate. This is a 2007 Napa Cabernet from Freemark Abbey. Had a little issue with the cork. Shall we say it was kind of dry. Questionable storage conditions apparently in my cellar / wine cabinet / wherever the hell I've been keeping this stuff. But it did come out okay. It's really dark and luscious. It's almost got a little caramel vibe to it. Quite a bit of fruit still. It doesn't really seem like it's 17 years old, but it is. And what's the point in having a cellar if you can't rate it when you're going on a long weekend in Vermont? I mean, look at this place. It's insane.